Sorry. Footage. This was interesting to take out too, because it was like you had to slide it out because these didn't come out. It's still a little gummy, I can feel it. I just turned my clock off. Yeah, when I was doing the doors, they were a little bit different than the BE doors. That one's tight. I don't know why that one's tight, and this one's just kind of
free spinning.
See, like that one tightened up good. That one's not as getting tighten up like the other two.
I'd rather have metal pieces and metal screws.
Yeah, than just this screwing metal screw into a.
Because I don't like plastic.
Yeah, dumbass. See, this would be smart to do if you got a new boot and you went to cut it.
Yeah, poke all the holes through it.
We got building.
I just took apart my center, not console, but my
shifter.
Yeah, and I just plasti dipped this so it looks nice now.
It actually looks really good.
I know it. Yeah, it looks like it.
Brand new. Yeah, I cleaned all of this crap out right here, all the crap in here out, so the shift boot isn't nasty anymore. Which way did it go? Was the short side towards me, or this way?
It's that way.
That way. Okay.
Are you gonna eventually get a new boot?
I'm thinking about it. I'm actually looking at, because I kind of either want one that's like stock with red stitching, or I want to get a bride one. Or a red one. Just continue with the theme.
I would get gray.
Well, that was a bride.
A
the
light
bride would be kind of a grayish.
A gray boot. A gray with red stitching. That would look pretty good.
I think that makes more sense, right? That this would be at the bottom.
Look at the clips. Where'd the clips come from? Look where the clips go.
Wait, does it go on like this? I think it goes on like this, because then it's got a... Yeah, these are the clips. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, like that.
Does it just pops back on, really?
Yeah, it literally...
That's all that holds that in?
Literally, there's these here, you put it in like that first, and then you pop it down. Literally all it takes is just...
Oh, and it pulls right out.
Yeah. I don't like how that's going.
Are you gonna keep the shifting knob you have, or are you gonna get it?
Yeah, that's already... It's still doing it. That's already a new shift knob that I got. Tomei Duracon. I kind of like it. I'll let you see it because it's off now. I rarely ever take it off because I don't want the threads to get worn in. Because I don't want it to shake while I'm like driving. And I'm trying to find people to edit for because I edit my own videos. I'm not like a professional editor, but you know, it'd be a good way to make a little bit of cash.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah. He was asking me if I was gonna do this in black too, but I think it'd be too much. I kind of like.
That's what I'm saying. The gray boot, like a light gray boot with red
Yep.
stitching,
Yep.
that would look really good.
Oh yeah. Hopefully, I wonder if this resets whenever I plug it back in.
Yeah, just put them all on 0.
Because if it's like that, well, I'm not gonna set this to 0.
Yeah, whatever is on, I would say leave it. Pop it back in.
Oh, hang on. Oh yeah, it's these.
Yeah, it's clips. Oh yeah, put that side in first. Oh, I hate those clips.
Hell, it doesn't even need screws.
This ain't extra parts included.
I went to take this off thinking I would just pull these through, and it opened up to the little
Circuit board.
Yeah. Here, let me stab myself real quick with a screwdriver. Some of these just don't thread right. That's why I'm like so anal about putting screws in the same exact spot they came out of, even if they're the same type of screw, you know. One more. Really sorry.
My guy.
I put it in the... How? How did I do that?
This screw goes in here. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta look at the things it clips into. Because I had to pop this up first when I took it out and then take it off those, so do it in reverse order. Why does it do that? That one went in easy and this one was like tough. Different threads or something.
That's plastic for you.
See, that one went in easy as well. Oh, now it's going in just fine. Oh, I think this one's stripped. There you go. Now just plug that back in and pop it in there. So,
Look at that.
if you would like to follow me.
Beauty.
There's shift knob. I like, it's not heavy at all. It's really light, but the way it feels is nice.
Oh, wow. That's really light. I expected it to be way heavier.
Nope. This is your hazard button cable. And then your air. It's kind of hard to get these set in there right. I need a new one of these. They're $10 on eBay, but just to order one. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. That's so much better, dude. That is clean. This is the other thing that I hated about tightening this down because
The boot grabs it.
yeah.
You want to take this to show 'em?
So much better. Let me turn on my flashlight. See a little more. Clean. Clean.
Yes, sir.
No more freaking ugly ass. And it was scratched in here and I plastic dipped a little bit of that.
Oh, wow, that does look way better.
Yeah. Oh, so much nicer. Look at that. That's all it took. There's a little spot right there, but whatever. Damn. It literally looks about the same color as the paint. Like you can tell it looks brand new and this looks like dirty ass. I should have cleaned this as well. But oh well. Now this isn't dirty.
Let's